Hi everyone, this is NB. In this video, we are going to learn about input, split and map functions and how to use them to get input from the user and use that input to manipulate the data and print the output. Without getting late, let's get started. The next function is split function. We use this split function to split the number of elements in a string by using a specific character. Suppose consider a case where you need an input of 3 values in a single line. Then you can use this split function to split the string and get the 3 values. When you execute it, if you enter 3 values separating with a space, you can get those 3 values in different variables. You can see. See, these 12, 23, 34 are stored in V1, V2, V3 respectively. If you want to print separately, you can see See, 12 is printed separately, which is stored in V1. Likewise, you can see V2, V3. And the next step is you can change the splitting character. Here, I have used a dollar symbol and a max bit of 2. See what happens now. Here, 12, 364, $234, $75, $23 are stored in 3 different variables in the form of string. As we specified, the maximum split is 2. Here, the first dollar is splitted and the second one is splitted. After, any occurrence of dollar is ignored by the interpreter. The next function is map. As we said that to convert a list of values into a specific data type, we use map function. Here we created 3 variables v1, v2, v3 and we have taken the input and splitted them based on the spacing character as space. You need not to specify space. By default it takes space as a splitting character. If you execute it, you just enter 3 integers, 14, 56, 72, enter. See, those 3 values are mapped to class int. You can see that v1 is storing 14 and v2 is 56 and v3 is 72. And the type of v2 is class int. And the same way, v1 type is class int and v3 type is also class int. And the next one is using a splitting character as dollar. Using dollar as a splitting character, we enter the input. See, 12, dollar, 80, dollar, 1. You can see that 12, 81 are stored in v1, v2, I1, I2, I3 and the type of I1 is int as well as the type of I2 is int, I3 also int, and the total you can use these variables to calculate something or anything like I1 plus I2 minus I3. I1 is 12, I2 is 80, I3 is 1. 80 plus 12, 92 and 92 minus 1 is 91. In this way, you can use the mathematical operators also. Anyway, we can learn about these mathematical operators in future video lectures. But for now, you can use addition, multiplication, subtraction, division, etc. That's all for this video. If you like the video, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon to get notified whenever I post an awesome new video. Thank you.